Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and today I am talking about Project Life as you go. And so this is going to be my little test experiment of Project Life, and I'm going to be using the Project Life app for this. I did a video recently talking about using the Project Life app to work on the Christmas layouts that I always make for family members. And so this is going to be kind of a part 2 of the Project Life app. It's how I'm using it right now to scrapbook as I go. In kind of real time, I am adding photos to layouts. Let's go ahead and hop into the video and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I just want to walk you through what I've been doing. I just finished off this last page that I was working on. So I ended up setting up an album for the Christmas layout that I have to print. We were just at the mall recently, and so I realized that they're going to have Santa come really soon, and so we will take Olivia to the mall in the next week or so then I can go ahead and get these layouts printed. Oops, they're not even in there. So most of these layouts are for the Christmas layouts here. They're just my completed pages. And so I will do like one Christmas layout or finalize the last layout that I had. I have some Halloween on there. I might move the Halloween up and add the Christmas photos on there for visiting Santa. And I also set up a new folder for this Project Life as I go. It just says October and November because it was the very end of October when I decided to start working on this project. Just doing the Project Life as I go so I could just print these as I get enough of them or whatever. So anyway, I've got one of actual like Halloween festivities, one of her costume, and then one of the pumpkin patch, which was another fall thing that we did. And then I've got one page that I'm doing as I go. It's just kind of our everyday life, the start of November here. And so I'm just kind of working on this day to day. I'll go back up and show you guys the one that I was working on here. And so some of these titles I did in the Little Moments app, and so like this one I did in the Little Moments app. Some of the writings I did on here, like this one on the Cat in the Hat stuff, all those writings were done in this app, but I really like the fonts of the Little Moments app, and so I used some of the fonts for things from the Little Moments app itself. And I thought about doing something different with this photo, adding a bigger title and kind of making it semi-opaque so that the mantle shows through. Because that one seemed kind of plain when I had zoomed out and the page was all done. It looked kind of plain in that corner, so I may do some writing or just the big letters across that. I really like to do that on some of these. And so it's just really simple. I don't even have any Project Life journaling cards on this page at all. I went ahead and wrote some of the journaling directly on the photos because there was room for some of that. I'll probably put journaling cards in here and there, but with this way, I'm not sticking strictly to a week. I'm just filling up a layout and starting a new one as I go. And that's kind of what I mean by the Project Life as I go. And so I may change that one, but then I'll just start my next page when I have more pictures. So I just wanted to share this with you. It's super simple and streamlined, and then I can print these. I will just pull out the more special photos and traditionally scrapbook those. I'll probably still try to pick out like my favorite photo of the week to have in the album. And so I have a scrapbook page and then these sprinkled in. And since I'm not doing strictly a week of a Project Life page and a week of an actual photo in this way, I don't know how they're gonna line up in the album. But I thought I would mark some sort of signifier in the album and print the other photos as I go. So when I get these printed, I'll know which of these goes into which page protector, and I can keep things in order that way since I don't really tend to put like the dates of the weeks on these layouts for the most part. So I thought maybe like I'll say, oh, Grinch photos or turkey banner photos, and have a little piece of paper that says that in the actual sleeve. And so when I do print all the ones that I'm working on, they will still be in order. So I hope that that makes sense. Anyway, I hope you liked that. That's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. It's just a really streamlined, minimalistic way to get this done. And I was looking at the price for my ink and paper. I'd say I pay like 33 or 35 cents per print. If I'm doing 6 on the page, that's really comparable to the $1.99 I'm paying to print the whole thing together. Trying this way, I'm trying to see the benefits. I also don't have to worry about gluing them all down. I just have the one page, so it's less bulky in my album to where I'm gluing down. If I'm printing 6 individual photos, I'm gluing those down to a cardstock 12 by 12, and that's bulking up the album. So it'll be a sheet of paper thinner, which is really cool. And like I said, I haven't actually printed any of the 12 by 12, so if they're just horrible quality, I will definitely go back to the way I've been doing things, which is just printing the photos myself. But if the photo quality is nice, as I think it should be, as I'm kind of anticipating it to be, I think it'll be a really easy, streamlined way for me to do this. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.